400 kilometers above Earth, an astronaut saw something no human should ever witness. A glowing city, shining brighter than anything on the planet. But this city was in the middle of an empty desert. No buildings, no people, no history. And just seconds later, it vanished into darkness. Satellites searched the location later and found absolutely nothing. This incident took place during a night pass over Earth when the ISS was gliding silently across the dark side of the planet. Down below, the continents were glowing faintly, the usual patterns of cities we all recognize. But then, one remote desert region lit up. Bright, structured, impossible. And it wasn't marked on any map. The astronaut stared in disbelief. The lights weren't random. They formed perfect straight lines, like roads, intersections, districts, a whole city grid. In the middle of nowhere, he reached for his camera, but before he could focus, the lights began to flicker, pulse, dim, die. In less than 5 seconds, the city was gone. The desert below returned to complete darkness, as if nothing had ever existed. NASA immediately checked the satellite data. If something glowed this bright, the satellites should have recorded it. But every single image from that night showed only one thing: total darkness. No light source, no heat signature, no unusual activity. They reviewed the past 24 hours. Nothing. Then they checked years of historical satellite scans. Still nothing. It was as if the glowing city existed only for that one moment, and only for the astronaut who saw it. The coordinates pointed to one of the most isolated deserts on Earth. A place with no water, no vegetation, no roads, nothing. Temperatures here can melt metal tools. Even military convoys avoid this area, the nearest human settlement, hundreds of kilometers away. So how could a massive grid of lights appear in a dead zone where not even a single bulb exists? Some scientists claim it could be a rare moonlight reflection. But reflections don't form perfect rectangles. Others point to an unlisted military test site, but official records show 0 installations there and no activity for decades. A more mysterious theory suggests the lights came from below the surface, like remnants of an ancient underground city, briefly releasing trapped energy. Strange. But deserts all over the world hide forgotten civilizations. Some blame extreme temperature inversions, but mirages can't create bright, symmetrical grids visible from space. And then, there's the unexplained, a transient luminous event, a natural glitch in reality, a moment when something appears from nowhere and disappears before science can capture it. The astronaut's official statement remains unchanged. It was a city, a living, glowing city, where no humans live. NASA marked the case as unresolved. The lights never appeared again. No camera has ever captured them. No satellite has ever detected them. But the question still echoes. If there was no city in that desert, what did the astronaut see that night? And the real fear is this: